About 1 year ago, arguably the best cube ever was released. What was the cube? It was the Tornado V3. A lot of people loved it because of its tactile feeling and its amazing adjustment system, with one of the best, if not the best, features ever to be released. It also had things that Gen didn't have, like adjustable magnets that are very easy to set up, and with its amazing elasticity tension, you knew this cube was going to be something extraordinary. And this cube is so good that even a world-class cuber, Max Spark, used it in his record-breaking 3.134 gold record single solve. But right now, if you search on YouTube Tornado V4, you'll see videos talking about how the Tornado V4 was supposedly leaked. If you go into She's channel and go on the playlist called X-Men Design, you'll see in the top bottom that there is an unlisted video. Right now, it's not there because she took it out, but I have the video, so don't worry. In this video, they're talking about elasticity tension and how to set it up. They're also talking about the adjustable magnets and how to set them up too. And they're just pretty much talking about how to set up the cube. At first sight, you don't see any difference from the Tornado V4, except for its sectioning system. If you look at the little handle, it looks a little bit larger, which might help to adjust it. Another thing you can tell in the video is that it's not UV coated and more as a frosted design, which I mean it's okay for me, but I would have preferred a UV coating because last year we got a matte version, so yeah. And you can also tell in the video that now you don't have to adjust the magnets in both sides, but just in one side, so that makes things more easier than it used to be. I know a lot of people don't really like matte or frosted finishes in cubes, but I don't really mind that. I don't really see a big difference on a UV coating finish being more grippy or more useful. I don't mind my frosted or matte cubes. I mean, I used a lot of old school Gen cubes, so I don't really have a problem with it, but it is kind of weird for a flagship to not have UV coating these days because almost every flagship has UV finishes these days. I mean, I don't really mind it like I said before, but it's just kind of unique / weird for the cube to have practically the same finish for 2 years. I'm very excited for this release, and for it to be the most hyped cube in 2024/2023, it's gonna be something big. I expect it to be, at least. For it to be on a listed video and a playlist, that's kind of weird, right? Because that might mean that it's gonna come very soon, and yeah, we can only hope. But yeah, I hope it comes soon. By the way, guys, I'm gonna heart every comment, so if you wanna get a heart on your comment, just comment, and anyone who comments, I'll just comment back, or I just heart your comment, or I might even pin you.